The upcoming release of OnStyle 3.5 is just around the corner. Here's a preview of what you can look forward to in this update. You can now modify default preferences for tables by navigating to Preferences, Tools, then Table Properties. Once changed, creating or transforming tables using OnStyle's tools will use these custom settings. Let's set up a custom table setting. We set the number of header rows to 5, table set name to dotted table, font size to 12 centered, and title and footer type to none. If we start the Create Table tool, we will see that the default parameters are our own custom preferences. Additionally, when using the Apply Table Style function, you can choose which text level formatting to keep from the original table. From an extensive list, you can choose many options to keep. For example, bold, superscript, cell shading, etc. These options can also be set to default in the Table Properties dialog. For this example, we want this imported table in the background to be standardized, but keep the cell shading and the subscript formatting. We remove the options we do not need and apply the change. As simple as that, our table is ready. The marker is a highlight applied to sections of the document when an issue item is selected in the Validation Results pane. Or, to put it simply, it's a colorful rectangle that lets you know where the issue is in the sea of text. You can customize the marker in the Marker tab of the Preferences dialog at the Validation settings. Currently, both static and animated markers are available, and their colors can also be adjusted. The Internal Link tool now supports recognition and parsing of custom numbering structures. It distinguishes between numbering and text components even in the custom numbering structures. In this example, the numbering part is the A1-1, and the text part is Appendix Heading 1. In the Internal Link tool, we can switch between numbering only, text only, or page number. The two components, text and number, can be individually inserted as cross-references by either selecting numbering only or text only insertion options. OnStyle now aids the importing of PDF tables. This new feature provides a streamlined mechanism for quickly and easily inserting a table from a PDF file into the document with the needed formatting. In the Import RTF/PDF tool, we have to select to import PDF, then configure the criteria. Following that, click the Open PDF button and select the PDF you want to insert tables from. Currently, the first table that meets the criteria gets inserted. If other tables have the same header row, they get merged into it. When the PDF is loaded, just click Import. Just like that, we have the table imported and already formatted. After changing logging level, the user is now met with a dialog to restart OnStyle. In order for the new logging method to take effect, OnStyle must be restarted. Launching OnStyle with the highest logging level, the user is now reminded that this setting may negatively impact OnStyle performance. Unless the setting is intentional, it should be lowered. OnStyle now displays an error message window in case the template associated with the docconfig is unavailable during the docconfig assignment. For example, if it is accidentally removed or the user lacks permission to access it. The Help button has been upgraded to a drop-down menu that contains multiple buttons. User Manual opens the User Manual document and has the same functionality as Help in previous versions. The Collect Logs function moved from the Configuration group to the Help menu. About opens the About dialog, which was previously accessible from the Configuration group dialog launcher. In the Report Options section of the Validation Report, it is now available to select to include ignored issues in the Validation Report PDF. In the Validation Summary section of the PDF, it is now displayed whether a module is missing prerequisites. In the Validation Details section of the PDF, the comments that were added to an issue are now displayed. As we wrap up this video, keep in mind, this isn't everything OnStyle 3.5 has to offer. A variety of new inspection and correction modules are waiting for you to explore. Visit OnStyle's website or follow the link in the video description to the article to see the full list of changes. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next one.